There's a pattern most men experience but rarely understand. Everything feels good in the beginning. She's warm, she's responsive, she initiates. And the moment you start investing more, texting more, planning more, opening up more, she pulls back. Her energy shifts, not dramatically, just enough, and you feel it. Most men interpret this as confusion, or manipulation, or loss of attraction. But in many cases, what's actually happening is emotional pacing imbalance. Attraction does not grow through acceleration. It grows through calibrated distance. Early connection creates novelty and emotional uncertainty. That uncertainty produces attention. Attention produces attraction. But when one person increases certainty too quickly, the dynamic changes. If you escalate emotional availability before she has internally committed to that level of closeness, her nervous system experiences pressure. Not because you did something wrong, but because the pacing no longer feels mutual. Attraction relies on voluntary investment. When she feels like the emotional tempo is being set for her, rather than with her, autonomy decreases. And when autonomy decreases, desire weakens. This is not about playing games, it's about understanding timing. In early stages, attraction is built on curiosity. Curiosity requires space. When you move from, "I enjoy this connection," to "I'm prioritizing this connection," too quickly, you unintentionally remove the mystery layer that fuels engagement. Most men escalate because they feel good. They assume more effort starts more attraction. But effort and emotional weight are not the same. There's a difference between consistent presence and emotional intensity. Consistency builds trust, intensity accelerates expectation, and expectation creates pressure. Pressure is the fastest way to destabilize early attraction. This is especially true if she has avoidant tendencies or values independence. When closeness increases faster than her comfort level, distance becomes her way of regulating. Pulling back is often self-protection, not punishment. Another dynamic at play is perceived value shift. In the beginning, she is slightly unsure of you. That uncertainty keeps her engaged. But when you overinvest too early, emotionally or logistically, the polarity shifts. Now she feels fully secured. When something feels fully secured before emotional depth is established, it can feel unearned. Desire thrives in earned progression, not guaranteed access. This doesn't mean you should withhold affection. It means you should match her pace. If she shares at level 3, you don't jump to level 8. If she invests one step, you reciprocate one step. Attraction is a rhythm. When one side over-accelerates, rhythm breaks. There's also a psychological layer involving perceived self-sufficiency. Attraction strengthens when she senses that your emotional state is stable regardless of her immediate behavior. When she pulls back slightly and you remain centered, it communicates abundance, not in a material sense, but in an emotional sense. You are not dependent on constant validation. You are not destabilized by minor shifts. That emotional steadiness increases safety. Ironically, when she feels free to step back without losing you emotionally, she often steps forward again voluntarily. But if her pulling back triggers anxiety, over-texting, reassurance-seeking, or confrontation, it confirms pressure, and pressure reduces attraction further. It becomes a feedback loop. She pulls back slightly. You react strongly. She pulls back more. The goal is not to suppress emotion. The goal is regulated response. Notice the shift. Maintain your frame. Continue your routines. Stay consistent, not reactive. If the connection has genuine potential, stability draws her back. If it doesn't, chasing would not have saved it anyway. Another important factor is identity preservation. When attraction forms, both individuals are evaluating, can I remain myself in this dynamic? If your increased closeness feels like it demands role acceleration, boyfriend energy before mutual agreement, she may resist subconsciously. Not because she dislikes you, but because commitment pressure appeared before internal readiness. Men often confuse momentum with security. Momentum feels good, but security requires alignment. Alignment takes time. Healthy progression follows three principles: mutual investment, gradual emotional depth, maintained individuality. If one of those collapses, imbalance appears. When she pulls away, the instinct is to fix it. But attraction is not repaired through force. It stabilizes through recalibration. Slow your pace, return to lightness, remove expectation, let interaction breathe again. If she re-engages naturally, you've restored polarity. If she continues distancing despite calm consistency, the data is clear. You don't chase clarity, you observe it. Attraction that requires constant pursuit is not attraction, it's pursuit dependency. Strong dynamics are reciprocal. They don't require overcompensation, they require emotional self-control. When you remain grounded as her energy fluctuates, you communicate something powerful. You are not trying to secure her, you are evaluating her too. That subtle shift in mindset changes everything. You stop acting from fear of loss. You start acting from standards. And standards are attractive. The real skill is not increasing effort. It's managing emotional tempo. If you master pacing, you prevent most early-stage attraction collapses, not by manipulation, but by regulation. If you're looking for a deeper breakdown on emotional pacing, attachment dynamics, and how to build attraction without over-investing, there's a structured resource linked below. No pressure, just guidance aligned with psychology. Stay centered. That's where attraction stabilizes.